You feel frustrated for not getting the fair amount for the work you do? This is the same problem faced by the farmers every single season. And to resolve this issue, myself Karthik and my team, AgriGoods from SNIST Hyderabad, have come up with a solution that would eventually bring respect to the farmers. There's actually a long chain between the farmers and the consumers, in which the middlemen try to fix very low prices to the farmers. And by the stages of the chain, the prices also get increased at the consumer's end also. And this impact is evident through many stats and facts. 46% of the farmers are yet to receive fair price for their produce. Productivity has been increasing, whereas the farmers' growth rate is still declining. And this is the main problem addressed. With our survey, we have come up with a solution that would virtually connect the farmers to the consumers directly. We have designed a web application in which the farmers can upload their produce, and after selecting a particular storage point, and the consumers can also place the order as usually they do with simple few steps. It is actually user friendly for both the parties because it requires very minimal steps for uploading the produce, for updating the produce, and also for tracking the orders, etc. And through our survey, we have found out that this portal, when properly used, can boost the farmers' profits by 40%. Also, we would like to introduce a new section in the portal itself called e-farming, in which we like to publish information about crop-related factors like temperatures, weather report analysis, water availability, which bank to approach for the loan, which crop to choose, etc., so that farmers can experience better results. Although there are many organizations and schemes that address the same problem in similar ways, but the salient features of our idea highlights us, like the subscription-based services, in which we try to classify the customers based on the basic requirement levels so that proper and appropriate functioning strategies can be applied based on the subscription opted. And then comes the storage of the exchange points, where which are nearest to the customer's location, so that they can come over to the place and pick the order. And they can also observe the quality check, which is the third salient feature of our idea, which is done at the place itself, where the storage point itself. So this is done so as to ensure that we don't lose the trust of the customers in the terms of quality. And finally, e-farming, in which we publish articles or information about crop related factors so that farmers can experiment better techniques and eventually get better results. We are confident and passionate enough to convert this idea into service. All we need is a big support from everyone. Finally, I would like to thank each and every organizer and the team of iInnovate who have given us this beautiful opportunity.